ASVAB, Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, and the PiCAT, Pre-Initial Computerized Adaptive Test, Verification Exam. Question 1. Which of these is the best conductor of electricity? Option A, wood. Option B, plastic. Option C, silver. Option D, glass. The correct answer is option C, silver. Metals, especially silver, copper, and gold, are excellent conductors because they have many free electrons. Question 2. In the human body, which organ is primarily responsible for filtering blood? Option A, the heart. Option B, the lungs. Option C, the kidneys. Option D, the liver. The correct answer is option C, the kidneys. The kidneys filter waste products from the blood and excrete them as urine. Question 3. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, hydrogen. The correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Plants take in CO2 and water to produce glucose and release oxygen as a byproduct. Question 4. What is the most common element in the Earth's atmosphere? Option A, oxygen. Option B, hydrogen. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, argon. The correct answer is option C, nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up approximately 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Question 5. Which law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction? Option A, Newton's first law. Option B, Newton's second law. Option C, Newton's third law. Option D, law of gravity. The correct answer is option C, Newton's third law. Newton's third law explains that forces always exist in pairs. If you push an object, it pushes back with equal force. Question 6. A car travels 240 miles in 4 hours. What is its average speed? Option A, 40 miles per hour. Option B, 50 miles per hour. Option C, 60 miles per hour. Option D, 70 miles per hour. The correct answer is option C, 60 miles per hour. Speed equals distance slash time. 240 slash 4 equals 60 miles per hour. Question 7. If a bag of apples costs $6 and contains 12 apples, what is the cost per apple? Option A, 40 cents. Option B, 50 cents. Option C, 60 cents. Option D, $1. The correct answer is option B, 50 cents. Cost per item equals total cost slash number of items. $6 slash 12 equals 50 cents. Question 8. A person buys a shirt for $20. If the sales tax is 8%, what is the total cost? Option A, $21.60. Option B, $20.80. Option C, $22.40. Option D, $28. The correct answer is option A, $21.60. Tax equals 20*0.08 equals $1.60. Total equals $20 plus $1.60 equals $21.60. Question 9. If a rectangle has a length of 10 inches and a width of 5 inches, what is its perimeter? Option A, 15 inches. Option B, 30 inches. Option C, 50 inches. Option D, 25 inches. The correct answer is option B, 30 inches. Perimeter equals 2, length plus width. 2, 10 plus 5, equals 2, 15, equals 30. Question 10. A farmer has 150 acres and plants corn on 40% of the land. How many acres are planted with corn? Option A, 40 acres. Option B, 50 acres. Option C, 60 acres. Option D, 70 acres. The correct answer is option C, 60 acres. 40% of 150 equals 0.40 * 150 equals 60. Question 11. What is the most nearly opposite in meaning to the word vague? Option A, unclear. Option B, direct. Option C, precise. Option D, hidden. The correct answer is option C, precise. Vague means unclear or indefinite, precise means exact and accurate. Question 12. What is the most nearly same in meaning to the word sullen? Option A, happy. Option B, gloomy. Option C, angry. Option D, tired. The correct answer is option B, gloomy. Sullen describes someone who is bad-tempered and sulky. Gloomy is the closest synonym. Question 13. To abbreviate a text means to: Option A, lengthen it. Option B, shorten it. Option C, translate it. Option D, delete it. The correct answer is option B, shorten it. To abbreviate is to shorten a word, phrase, or text. Question 14. Which word means to happen at the same time? Option A, coordinate. Option B, consecutive. Option C, synchronize. Option D, sequence. The correct answer is option C, synchronize. Synchronize means to cause to occur at the same time or rate. Question 15. What is the meaning of fortuitous? Option A, accidental/by chance. Option B, pre-planned. Option C, expensive. Option D, difficult. The correct answer is option A, accidental/by chance. Fortuitous means happening by a lucky accident or chance rather than design. Question 16. Read, the library was silent, except for the faint hum of the air conditioner and the occasional rustle of a page. What can be inferred? Option A, the library was crowded. Option B, it was a noisy environment. Option C, the library was mostly quiet. Option D, the air conditioner was broken. The correct answer is option C, the library was mostly quiet. The text specifies it was silent, except for minor sounds, indicating a quiet environment. Question 17. Read, despite the rain, the hikers continued up the mountain. What does the word despite imply? Option A, they liked the rain. Option B, the rain did not stop them. Option C, they were confused by the rain. Option D, they waited for the rain to stop. The correct answer is option B, the rain did not stop them. Despite is a contrast word used to show that one thing happened even though something else might have prevented it. Question 18. In a paragraph discussing renewable energy sources like wind and solar, what is the main theme? Option A, saving money. Option B, protecting fossil fuels. Option C, sustainable power. Option D, the history of coal. The correct answer is option C, sustainable power. Wind and solar are categorized as sustainable or renewable energy sources. Question 19. If a text says a plan is feasible, it means the plan is: Option A, impossible. Option B, workable/possible. Option C, too expensive. Option D, old-fashioned. The correct answer is option B, workable/possible. Feasible means something is capable of being done or achieved. Question 20. What is the primary purpose of a topic sentence in a paragraph? Option A, to provide a conclusion. Option B, to introduce the main idea. Option C, to list every detail. Option D, to check spelling. The correct answer is option B, to introduce the main idea. The topic sentence summarizes the main point of the paragraph, usually at the beginning. Question 21. Solve for x, 3x plus 5 equals 20. Option A, 5. Option B, 15. Option C, 3. Option D, 10. The correct answer is option A, 5. Subtract 5 from both sides, 3x equals 15. Divide by 3x equals 5. Question 22. What is the square root of 64? Option A, 6. Option B, 7. Option C, 8. Option D, 9. The correct answer is option C, 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. Question 23. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 3? Use 3.14 for pi. Option A, 9.42. Option B, 18.84. Option C, 28.26. Option D, 30.00. The correct answer is option C, 28.26. Area equals pi asterisk r squared. 3.14 asterisk 3 asterisk 3 equals 3.14 asterisk 9 equals 28.26. Question 24. In the equation of a line y equals mx plus b, what does m represent? Option A, the y-intercept. Option B, the x-intercept. Option C, the slope. Option D, the length. The correct answer is option C, the slope. M is the slope, rise over run, and b is the y-intercept. Question 25. What is 5 to the third power, 5 cubed? Option A, 15. option B 25, option C 125, option D 75. The correct answer is option C, 125. 5*5*5 equals 125. Question 26. Which tool is used to measure electric current? Option A voltmeter, option B ammeter, option C ohmmeter, option D oscilloscope. The correct answer is option B, ammeter. An ammeter measures the flow of current in amperes. Question 27. What does a resistor do in a circuit? Option A stores electricity, option B boosts voltage, option C limits the flow of current, option D powers the circuit. The correct answer is option C, limits the flow of current. Resistors provide resistance to the flow of electrons, controlling current levels. Question 28. Which of these is a load in a circuit? Option A, the battery, option B, the wire, option C, a light bulb, option D, the switch. The correct answer is option C, a light bulb. A load is any component that consumes electrical energy to perform work. Question 29. In a series circuit, if one bulb burns out, what happens to the others? Option A, they stay on, option B, they get brighter, option C, they all go out, option D, they flicker. The correct answer is option C, they all go out. In a series circuit, there is only one path for current. If that path is broken, the whole circuit stops. Question 30. What component is used to open or close a circuit? Option A, capacitor, option B, transistor, option C, switch, option D, diode. The correct answer is option C, switch. A switch is a mechanical device used to interrupt or complete an electrical path. Question 31. Which part of the engine is responsible for mixing air and fuel in older vehicles? Option A, alternator, option B, radiator, option C, carburetor, option D, piston. The correct answer is option C, carburetor. The carburetor mixes air and fuel before it enters the cylinders. Modern cars use fuel injectors. Question 32. What is the function of the alternator? Option A, to cool the engine, option B, to charge the battery while the engine is running, option C, to shift gears, option D, to stop the car. The correct answer is option B, to charge the battery while the engine is running. The alternator converts mechanical energy into electrical energy to power the car and charge the battery. Question 33. Which tool is used to tighten a nut onto a bolt? Option A, screwdriver, option B, pliers, option C, wrench, option D, hammer. The correct answer is option C, wrench. Wrenches are designed specifically to grip and turn nuts and bolts. Question 34. A Phillips screwdriver is distinguished by, option A, a flat tip, option B, a star/cross-shaped tip, option C, a square tip, option D, a hexagonal tip. The correct answer is option B, a star/cross-shaped tip. A Phillips head has a cross-shaped, plus, tip, whereas a flathead has a single blade. Question 35. What does the viscosity of engine oil refer to? Option A, its color, option B, its weight, option C, its resistance to flow, thickness, option D, its price. The correct answer is option C, its resistance to flow, thickness. High viscosity oil is thicker, low viscosity oil is thinner. Question 36. In a 4-stroke engine, what is the correct order of the cycles? Option A, intake, compression, power, exhaust, option B, power, intake, exhaust, compression, option C, exhaust, power, intake, compression, option D, compression, power, intake, exhaust. The correct answer is option A, intake, compression, power, exhaust. The standard cycle is intake, fuel in, compression, squeeze, power, fire, and exhaust, waste out. Question 37. What is the purpose of the radiator? Option A, to provide heat to the cabin, option B, to cool the engine coolant, option C, to lubricate the engine, option D, to filter the air. The correct answer is option B, to cool the engine coolant. The radiator dissipates heat from the coolant to prevent the engine from overheating. Question 38. What kind of tool is used to make a hole in metal or wood? Option A, plane. Option B, chisel. Option C, drill bit. Option D, file. The correct answer is option C, drill bit. A drill bit attached to a drill is used to create holes. Question 39. A C-clamp is used for option A, cutting wood. Option B, holding pieces of material together while working. Option C, sanding surfaces. Option D, measuring angles. The correct answer is option B, holding pieces of material together while working. C-clamps provide temporary pressure to hold two objects together. Question 40. Which of these is a fastener? Option A, saw. Option B, sandpaper. Option C, screw. Option D, level. The correct answer is option C, screw. Fasteners like screws, nails, and bolts are used to join materials together. Question 41. What is the mechanical advantage of a pulley system with 4 ropes supporting the load? Option A, 1. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option C, 4. In a simple pulley system, the mechanical advantage is equal to the number of ropes supporting the movable load. Question 42. If you use a longer lever to lift a heavy object, the force required will, option A, increase, option B, decrease, option C, stay the same, option D, vanish. The correct answer is option B, decrease. A longer lever provides more torque, meaning you need less input force to lift the weight. Question 43. A fulcrum is, option A, the weight being lifted, option B, the bar of a lever, option C, the pivot point of a lever, option D, the person using the lever. The correct answer is option C, the pivot point of a lever. The fulcrum is the fixed point around which a lever rotates. Question 44. What happens to the pressure of a gas if you compress it into a smaller volume, at constant temperature? Option A, it decreases. Option B, it stays the same. Option C, it increases. Option D, it disappears. The correct answer is option C, it increases. According to Boyle's law, as volume decreases, pressure increases. Question 45. 2 gears are meshed together. If the large gear turns clockwise, which way does the small gear turn? Option A, clockwise. Option B, counterclockwise. Option C, it doesn't move. Option D, up and down. The correct answer is option B, counterclockwise. When 2 gears mesh directly, they always rotate in opposite directions. Question 46. A hydraulic system uses what to transmit power? Option A, air. Option B, electricity. Option C, liquid, usually oil. Option D, springs. The correct answer is option C, liquid, usually oil. Hydraulics rely on the incompressibility of liquids to move force from one point to another. Question 47. Which simple machine is used on the cap of a water bottle? Option A, lever. Option B, pulley. Option C, screw. Option D, wedge. The correct answer is option C, screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder, which describes the threads of a cap. Question 48. If a 10 pounds weight is 4 feet from a fulcrum, how much weight is needed 2 feet from the fulcrum to balance it? Option A, 5 pounds. Option B, 10 pounds. Option C, 20 pounds. Option D, 40 pounds. The correct answer is option C, 20 pounds. Balance requires force x distance to be equal. 10 * 4 equals x * 2. 40 equals 2x. X equals 20. Question 49. What is the purpose of a flywheel? Option A, to stop the engine. Option B, to smooth out power delivery and store rotational energy. Option C, to steer the car. Option D, to filter oil. The correct answer is option B, to smooth out power delivery and store rotational energy. A flywheel's mass provides inertia to keep the engine spinning smoothly between power strokes. Question 50. A bimetallic strip is commonly used in option A, tires. Option B, thermostats. Option C, exhaust pipes. Option D, windows. The correct answer is option B, thermostats. Because 2 different metals expand at different rates when heated, the strip bends, making it useful for temperature-controlled switches.